How to use Google Maps walking directions. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you a quick step-by-step guide on how you can use Google Maps walking directions. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up Google Maps in your mobile device. After that, at the top, search for your destination. After that, tap on the directions button from your interface. You also have to select your start location. Tap on choose start location and then select your start location where you want to start the map or the location from. After that, select the walking icon at the top. After that, you could simply start the navigation. Tap on the preview and you will see your step-by-step directions and the estimated time. Your phone will also alert you at a once. Follow the path on the screen or listen to the voice direction if you have enabled the voice navigation. So that's the way to use Google Maps walking directions, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.